Hey friends, are you ready? Welcome to my channel, Fun Strawberry.
Let's learn construction vehicles. Name and sounds. Bucket wheel excavator.
Bucket wheel excavator.
Mining truck.
Mining truck.
Excavator.
Excavator.
Dump truck.
Dump truck.
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer.
Cement mixer.
Cement mixer.
Forklift.
Forklift.
Road roller.
Road roller.
Scissor lift.
Scissor lift.
Road grader.
Road grader.
Bucket truck.
Bucket truck.
Backhoe.
Backhoe.
Tractor.
Tractor.
Loader.
Loader.
Drill truck.
Drill truck.
Demolition gun.
Demolition gun.
Construction gun.
Construction gun.
Flatbed truck.
Flatbed truck.
Pallet Jack.
Pallet Jack.
Fuel truck.
Fuel truck.
Thanks for watching, kids. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.
Bye bye, goodies.